6,700 on the Nifty, 0.6% of a move coming in for Sensex. Now we've jumped up 500 points as well. I want to first see what ICICI Bank is doing. It's at 1,044. That's a move of 3.5%, which is coming in an ICICI Bank. And I guess that would rub off on the rest of the banking pack too. Let's see whether HDFC Bank in the interim has bottomed out, or is there more pain left in the system for HDFC Bank? Still soured, still down 0.5%. A gap down move, no less, for Z Entertainment. That's exactly, on expected lines. It started off lower by about 10%, but have to admit that it's actually only ICICI Bank solo, because I can see a very flat move even on Kotak. Remember, part of the trade already played out on Saturday, given that was a full trading a day and the numbers came out well within market hours, but you're not really seeing any follow-through price action on Kotak. So it's single-handedly ICICI Bank alone all the way, and that too has fizzled off a little bit from that gap up start. It's now up about 3%, but that in itself is a good move regardless. You can see Tata Power, etc., hold out well after that Prime Minister, policy announcement of rooftop schemes. This persistent, very good Q3, robust deal wins. Remember, this was one of the big IIT outperformers all through 2023, and persistent, no relenting there, still holding up almost 4% as we speak right now. Cipla as well. There's been a margin upgrade which has come in. Q3 has been a beat. It's a 6.25% gap up start that you're seeing on Cipla. Z continues to sulk, and I want to see what IDFC Bank as well is up to. After those numbers didn't quite match up with what the street was anticipating, IDFC First Bank down 5% as we speak right now. Some of the other names which are going to be in focus today: Tata Motors after that PV price hike. There's Colgate as well, which has come out with its numbers. There's Coforge, wherein the constant currency revenue growth has come in above estimates. There's Canfin Homes. NIMs have seen an improvement, quite sharp on a sequential basis. So these are some of the stocks. Transformers, rectifiers. There's Keystone Realtors. We were just chatting with them. They've signed a letter of intent for redevelopment projects worth GDV of about almost 1,200 crore rupees. Keystone as well gaps up 2.5% as we speak right now in trade. Anisha, anything that you're spotting?
Yeah, Kunal's pick, Petronet has actually opened up quite well, 5% higher, and of course this entire ecosystem of solar names. So Borosil Renewable is the one that is there on my radar, a 17% surge, and Borosil Renewables at that is up a solid 18%. You also have, of course, Cipla, which is perking up as we speak, and the railway stocks, there's no stopping them. IRFC is up another 9% today. RVNL has surged quite a bit. Max Health is the other one that I'm watching out for. That's also managed to open with a gain of around 5%, and Karur Vysya Bank, on account of the earnings, is holding up with a 4% gain. But let's take the first trades with our technical experts. Kunal, what's the first trade that you're spotting?
So that will be on NMDC. That's a stock which on Saturday's trading session came back towards 210, 212 breakout mode. So that's a stock which I would be keen to buying, specifically looking at the recent momentum for the stock.
Naresh, let's get in a sense as to what exactly is looking good on the screens according to you today.
So, good take across the board. The stock I would be looking out for is Care Ratings, which has given a fresh breakout on Saturday. So, expecting follow-up price action over the next few sessions.
Okay, let's welcome on board Gautam Shah then and figure out what the market is going to